Are you tired of dealing with long lines and stacks of paperwork just to open a new bank account? What if I told you that you can do it all from your couch in just a few minutes? That's right. Opening a bank account online is not only possible, it's super simple. Today, we're going to walk through the easy steps of opening a Capital One bank account from the comfort of your own home. First, you'll want to head over to the Capital One website or download their mobile app. Once there, look for the Open an Account button. You'll be asked to choose the type of account you want. Capital One offers a variety of options, from checking and savings accounts to special accounts for teens. For this guide, we'll focus on the popular 360 checking and 360 performance savings accounts. Before you start the application, make sure you have a few key pieces of information handy. You'll need a government-issued photo ID like a driver's license or passport, your social security number, and a U.S. mailing address. Having these ready will make the process go much faster. Once you've got your info, it's time to fill out the application. You'll enter your personal details, including your name, address, and contact information. You'll also be asked to provide some employment and income information. After you've filled everything out, you'll review the terms and conditions and agree to them. It's important to read these carefully. In most cases, you'll get an instant decision on your application. If you're approved, you'll be able to fund your new account. You can do this by transferring money from an existing bank account or even by making an initial deposit with a debit or credit card. And that's it. Your account is open and ready to use. You will receive a debit card in the mail in a few business days, and you can start banking immediately using the Capital One app. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.